I'm sure you've heard the news. Monster High and Fairy Tale Dolls are having an epic face-off. Who will take the crown? Excited. In one corner, we have the super cool, spooky chic Monster High crew. With their fantastic outfits and unique personalities, these ghouls bring the freaky fun. And in the other corner, we have the enchanting Fairy Tale Dolls. With their glittery gowns and charming stories, they're ready to cast a spell of wonder. But who wins this ultimate doll duel? And is it the freakishly fabulous Monster High gang with their edge and attitude? Or the Fairy Tale Dolls with their fairy dust and dreams? Well, that's up to you to decide. Tell us in the comments, are you Team Monster High or Team Fairy Tale? And remember, whether you love the spooky or the sparkly, there's always room for more dolls on the shelf. Stay tuned for more doll-tastic adventures. Hit that like and subscribe button and let's keep the magic alive.